Right now, banking sentiment is experiencing an unusual spike, with a sentiment score of plus 0.26 and momentum at plus 0.29. This isn't just a small blip, it's indicative of a significant shift in how people feel about the banking sector. With 17 semantic clusters revealing the nuances in this sentiment, you can drill down into specific areas driving this momentum. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment, allowing you to integrate these insights directly into your applications. For example, you could use this data to adjust your risk models or enhance customer engagement strategies based on prevailing sentiment trends. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, visit us at pulsebitlojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this sentiment into actionable insights for your projects.